Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip7 is almost here, but what's powering it might depend on where you live. A new report from Korea just cleared up confusion around the chipset, and it's a pretty big twist. According to Korean outlet Hangkyung, Samsung will ship the Z Flip7 with two different processors, depending on the region. In South Korea, the Z Flip7 will be powered by Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500. But for everyone else, including the US, Europe, and India, Samsung is going with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite. That's great news if you're outside Korea. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is more powerful, more efficient, and performs better in demanding tasks like multitasking, gaming, and DX mode. Benchmark results show it even outperforms MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 in CPU-heavy workloads. Now, both chipsets will handle everyday stuff like scrolling, calls, and media without a hitch. But under sustained load, things like battery life and heat might start to show a difference, and Korean buyers might not be thrilled about that. This latest info actually contradicts last week's leak, which claimed Exynos will be used in most markets. But now it looks like Samsung is sticking with Qualcomm's best chip for its global audience. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold7 is expected to ship with the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy in every region, just like the Galaxy S25 series. So if you've been holding off on a new foldable, Samsung might just be getting it right this time, at least in most parts of the world.